good afternoon, good evening to the community of Chibians around the globe. I am Olon Luwainde, also known as Sapphire Joa, one of the many voices of TBC. On this, my regular broadcast, initially it has been tagged reflection, but I have a good news for you this morning. The good news is changing, the name and the title is changing to Freedom for Humanity. Freedom for Humanity. Why? Because we are on the mission to give freedom to humanity. The human race is in shackles. The human race is in bondage. God gave mankind freedom. The creator of the world, the creator of the heart, who created heaven and earth, God, the only supreme being on earth, gave mankind total freedom. But guess you what? The evil ones are dominating the world and putting other human beings in bondage. So in my broadcast henceforth, we will be talking now, be looking at and examining ways of freedom. Freedom. Let me say this. One of the main cardinal points and focus of the billion kind is to give freedom to humanity. When you have power, when you have your voice, you have freedom. I'll quickly give us some few definitions of freedom. Freedom can be said to be a condition of being free, the power to act, to speak or think as you want, without any external impose, without being externally imposed on, without any restraints. Guys, we need to be free. We need our freedom. We need our freedom. Also, few other ones are a state of freedom is state of being free from imprisonment, from being enslaved. Humankind are being enslaved by the world powers, by the so-called Hellites, who owns the entire resources that God gave to humankind. God, the creator of heaven and earth, who is the supreme being, make available enough resources on earth for mankind. According to Merriam-Webster dictionary, it says freedom is divine as a quality or state of being free, such as absence of necessity, coercion, or constraints in choice and in action. We need to be free. We need to have our freedom. We need to enjoy our God-given freedom. And that is the main thing that TBC is driving out. Eradicating poverty, giving freedom to humanity. Let human beings live as God has planned for them to live. Freedom also can be said to be a state or a form of liberty, being free from any form of coercion, state of being yourself. Now, in three types of freedom, quickly rush through it, is freedom from being constrained, ability to move around. You are not being lorded over by a particular set of people. Secondly, freedom is to do what you want to do. Yeah, the TBC community, we are not bound by any law. Rather, we are being governed by what? God himself. What are the ordinances that God has laid down? Love your fellow brothers as you love yourself. Love for your fellow kind. In TBC community, it is community of love and respect. Seeing that my fellow brothers, my fellow human being live well, is in good state of being. That is the mission. Also, freedom of being able to do what you want to do, to be able to express yourself, to be able to live well. TBC has planned to give humanity quality to life. And I can assure you that there is quality to life. Yeah, there is quality to life. So, in my subsequent broadcast, I will tell us more on how we can be free. But guess what? Right from this broadcast you are watching, check the column. I have a gift for you, and that gift is the gift of digital currency called the Billion Coin, TBC. Don't waste time. Quickly go, click on that link, register, and you will receive your gift. That is the starting point to this freedom, the financial freedom. You will be given the gift, and after that, give me a call, chat me up, and I will guide you on through all other processes without any obligation. Yeah. Why? Because abundance is free. God bless you all. I like you. Like this broadcast. Share.